Hi everyone, welcome to CAPSA. Today's topic is Cinnamomum, which is a genus, important genus that belongs to so many species like near about 250 species. Can't you imagine? But among these 250 species, only three shows the medicinal importance. Okay, so we will understand step by step. These type of species actually angiosperms in nature, angiosperms and dicots. Angiosperms and gymnosperms have a difference in their seed arrangement. Angiosperms have covering seed, but gymnosperms have naked seeds. Okay. Now, this type of crop actually found in, or this type of trees actually found in tropical countries, where tropical countries means where the rainfall is near about 200 to 250 centimeter annual basis. That is tropical rainforest. Okay, these kind of tropical countries are where found this type of genus are found. Okay. Now, what are volatile oils? They are also known as essential oil. Why essential oil? Because these kind of oils contain something essence. That's why they are essential oils. Okay. And this kind of volatile oils shows a nature that can be aldehydic or it can be ketonic. Okay. This kind of nature it can show. So, three important species which have a clinical or medical importance that are Cinnamomum, zeylanicum, Cinnamomum cassia and Cinnamomum camphor. Okay. All these species belong to same family, that is Lauraceae. Okay. Now we need to be understand each and everything, every species step by step. Okay. So Cinnamomum zeylanicum, from where we obtain a spices named cinnamon. That is a spices. And these spices actually bark. And which type of bark? Dried inner bark. And a specific thing is this type of bark shows some nature, that is channeled or it can be wheel. Okay. So this kind of nature they shows. Okay. And this type of species native to mainly Sri Lanka, China and Malabar coast. And the active constituent which are present, that is Cinnamaldehyde, Eugenol, tannins, and used for aromatic flavoring agent, also carminative agent, etc. Now we need to be clear that the Cinnamaldehyde possesses 60 to 75%. I am writing the percentage because this percentage is the difference between all the three species. Okay. So, Cinnamaldehyde is present 60 to 75%. Eugenol near about 4%. Tannins is 1 to 6%. Now we need to be clear that which kind of tannins, that is flava tannin. These kind of tannins are present. And eugenol obtained from leaves part. But cinnamaldehyde is actually obtained from the bark part. So bark part contains cinnamaldehyde and leaves part contains eugenol. Okay. Now the next species is, that is Cinnamomum cassia. Okay. So from this species, cassia oil, also known as cinnamon oil is obtained. And the leaves and twigs part actually contains this cassia oil. And here cinnamaldehyde obtained from water and steam distillation. But only in this case, from leaves and twigs part, cassia oil obtained by steam distillation. That is the difference. Okay. And this species is native to China, Sri Lanka, Burma, and main active constituent is cinnamaldehyde. Now is the difference. Here cinnamaldehyde is 60 to 75%, but here that is the amount is 80 to 95%. And interesting fact is, in this species eugenol is present, but in this species eugenol is absent. That is the difference. Okay. And used as antiseptic, carbonatic, aromatic as usual. Okay. All are the same use. Now coming to the next species, that is Cinnamomum camphora. Okay. So Cinnamomum camphora, from where camphor we obtain. Okay. So camphor is a kind of dicyclic ketone. We will understand what is dicyclic means. Dicyclic ketone looks like that is the structure of camphor, because dicyclic ketone, you can see one cyclic ring, second cyclic ring, because two cyclic ring is present in the camphor. That's why this is known as dicyclic ketone. Okay. And they are native to Eastern Asia, also found in Sri Lanka, Java, Sumatra, Brazil, etc. And you need to keep in mind that they are mainly found in high altitude region, that is 1500 to 2000 feet. Okay. And mainly in the Mediterranean region. Okay. So Mediterranean region where the altitude should be this range or high altitude. Now the active constituent. So the active constituents are camphene, cineol and camphor. Among these, camphor is main active constituent. So first, the camphor is extracted as camphor oil. From the camphor oil, solid camphor is obtained by the sublimation process. Okay. Used as analeptic. What do you mean by analeptic? Analeptic is nothing, just a CNS stimulant. Okay. Which obviously increase your mental stimulation process. And you need to keep in mind that old trees contain high concentration of camphor. Why? Because the camphor day by day accumulates in the hardwood of trees. So the perfect collection of the trees are when the age is 40 years. 40 years age of trees. This kind of trees contains high concentration of camphor. Now the interesting note from all the things is cinnamaldehyde it's an aldehyde. Okay. Eugenol is a phenol, but camphor is a ketone. That is the chemical difference. Okay, you need to keep in mind all the things I have write, I have to speak, I have written, all the things you need to keep in mind. Okay, so that is the end of my lecture. If you like this pharmacognostic note, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your attention.